friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be an all new 2021 BS6 vehicle Royal Enfield Continental GT. So exclusive in MotorBeast channel. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to MotorBeast and press the bell icon for the more updates. So coming to the firstly headlights of the vehicle front, coming to all the halogens on this vehicle, no LED treatments on this 2021 generation, also very much disappointing me and our GT fans also. And coming to the front suspension, comes the telescopic suspension at the front, and you get a 41mm front fork suspension with a 110mm travel suspension, telescopic suspension. And coming to the front tire, comes with a 190 18 inches and tubeless tires provided on this vehicle also, and same as the front tire comes with a 457.2mm, and front disc brake comes with a massive of 320mm of disc size, is massive enough, and radial tires has been provided on this vehicle. And overall, coming to the side profile of the vehicle, comes with the engine placement, 648cc engine displacement and 4-stroke air cooled and oil cooled engines with the 2-cylinder engines obviously, and SOHC engine has been given on this generation also. Nothing much changes between BS4 and BS6. And coming to the power of the vehicle, comes with the 47.6 PS of power at 7150 rpm and 52 Nm of torque at 5250 rpm. 2 cylinders produces on this engine with a 4 valves per each cylinder. So coming to the other side of the vehicle, comes with the chain drive, self start only obviously, and fuel injection has been given on this generation. So slipper clutch has been given, advanced feature, and 6-speed manual transmission gearbox. Gearbox is very smooth compared to older generation. 78mm bore and 67.8mm stroke has been given on this vehicle with the 9:5:1 comparison ratio on this BS6 vehicle. I know that many of the fans have been waiting of this Continental GT Royal Enfield of this BS6 2021 vehicle. The Royal Enfield Continental GT is series of motorcycle produced by Royal Enfield. First model GT in 250, name called as GT 250, was produced in 1960 in UK, firstly produced. And coming to the front part, comes the 2.5 liters of fuel tank capacity on this vehicle with the graphics on the tank with the strips lines on the tank is very much attractive look on this red treatment. The color treatment I am showing now is called as rocket red color, one of my favorite color. And coming to the features of the vehicle, dual channel ABS has been produced. Dual channel ABS has been given on this vehicle with a analog and digital console of these safety features. And coming to the rear foot peg, comes with the Royal Enfield badge on the rear foot pegs, also with the front foot pegs. And foot peg position is much better compared to Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, is much better in Continental GT. And coming to the rear tire profile, comes with the 130/70 18 inches tubeless tires has been produced, and tire size comes with the rear 457.2 mm at the rear, no change at all. And spokes has been given on this generation also, no alloy wheels on expectations, very much disappointing. Lot of treatments has been disappointing, same as older generation has taken to the BS4 to BS6 on this generation. And disc size comes with the rear 240 mm of rear disc size, the radial tires has been given. Coming to the rear suspension, comes with a twin cool over shocks with the 88 mm travel with a monopoly shock absorber. Dual monopoly shock absorbers has been given on this straight suspension, very good performing on offer. And coming with a twin exhaust on offer, exhaust sound is also very nice. I will show you at the end of the video. And coming to the rear profile, comes with the halogens on offer at the tail light and indicators. All the 4 indicators has been halogens only on this generation 2021 also, and also with a no hazard lights which has been produced on this generation also. It comes with the chain drive on offer. And coming to the chassis of the vehicle, comes with the steel tuber double cradle frame has been given on this generation. And body type comes the KF racer bike, so it's a obviously racer position bike. Continental GT is the racer bike. And coming to the dimensions of the vehicle, comes with the length of 2122 mm of length, and breadth of the vehicle comes with the 744 mm of breadth, and height of the vehicle comes with the 1024 mm of height. And it introduced in 2017 in India, and GT 650 as analog side the Interceptor 650. So Interceptor 650 and GT 650 as the engines are obviously same, only the designs has been changed. Some of the designs has been changed, like seat height and also the length of the seat and coming to the tank position and tank designs has been changed, both the engines and both the bikes. And coming to the fuel tank capacity, I have said already the 12.5 liters is massive enough. And saddle height comes with a 793 mm of saddle height. Ground clearance comes with a 174 mm of ground clearance on this vehicle. The wheelbase is huge as 1398 mm of huge wheelbase compared to Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. And tires also massive enough of 18 inches tires has been given. Both the tires very much comforts in a right position. And coming to the competitions of the market, and there are a lot of competitions in the market for this Continental GT. Comes with the Harley Davidson Street 750 and Kawasaki Vulcan S. KTM 390 Duke also comes with the competition in this track. And TVS Apache RR 310, one of my favorite, comes with a huge competition in this. And Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 also a huge competition for the Continental GT. All the comparisons has been mainly based on the price segment. All the prices are nearly some of the changes, nothing much different, but the CCs and the engine displacements has been changed a lot on this. All the competitions in the market of all the bikes, I have said the name. And coming to the price of the vehicle, each and every color changes the price of the vehicle. I know that eagerly you are waiting for the price of the vehicle of this 2021 BS6 Continental GT. Coming to the first color, Rocket Red, I am showing now 3,33,000 on road Hyderabad. And Deluxe color comes with the 3,42,000 on road Hyderabad. And Venture Storm color comes with 3,42,000 same on road Hyderabad. And Mr. Clean comes 3,57,000 of Continental GT on road Hyderabad. Coming to there are a lot of color treatments, like 7 to 8 colors on this offer in this 2021 BS6 vehicle. And Dr. Mayhem and Black Magic, Ice Queen are some of the additional colors. And one of my favorite color is Ice Queen and Chrome treatment of this Royal Enfield GT. It's a unique color as per my opinion. In 2010, with the GT 535 and GT 650 revived a name of Continental GT of this Royal Enfield. And coming to the other side, it gets a dual seat and also with a solo seat on offer. Coming with the extra accessories, you can choose a seat position also, like a single seat or a dual seat or a length seat. So it is additional charges has been added to this Royal Enfield Continental GT. My opinion is this length seat is perfect to this Continental GT for pillion so riders and also for pillion holders. And coming to the clip-on handlebars and rear seat pinks allow with a sporty riding position in GT Continental. Obviously the riding position and the handlebars are wide enough on the other side. And coming to the left side, handlebar comes with a horn indicators, high beam and low beam pass light switch. And coming to the handlebars of the right side, comes with the engine kill switch and self start button. The instrument cluster comes with the speedometer, analog meter, digital meter, trip meters, odometer, RPM meter. The one of the disappointing thing on this 2021 vehicle, the Royal Enfield has been revived that the navigation has been added to this Continental GT on this 2021, but as we are seeing that the navigation has been not added on this 2021 generation also. The Royal Enfield fans are eagerly waiting for some of the major changes of this Continental GT, but Royal Enfield now in 2021 also very much disappointed for this Continental GT fans as per my opinion. And clip-on handlebars are very attractive look on this bike as per my opinion, and chrome color is special in 2021. So overall, this is a walk around video of Continental GT. This is exclusive in Motorbase channel of Continental GT 2021. And if you want a test drive of this performance of the vehicle, please hit comments and subscribe to Motorbase channel and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram for the more updates before only. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.